Hi my all friends, how are you today? Hope all you are guys are okay and fine. So long time no see. Here is another tutorial about best font for your print design and also a graphics design. All fonts are free and easy to use. All fonts are professional. You can find all font download link in my video description, so please check it and download. Please subscribe my channel for more update and resource. And here the font. Here I collected my special fonts. Here Leto and Railway Roboto, Sour Sans, Nexa, Open Sans, and Outlet, Grand Hotel, Good Dog, Bebas New, Pacifique, and Alex Brush. You can when you download is complete, then open extract all and install like this. Here the install. I already installed all fonts in my computer, so install all. And this tutorial I am also share some free Google fonts, and all fonts are very good for your designs. And here the some font extract files, just install like that. You can choose this font in your print designs such as a poster, banner, or magazines and flyer, brochure, and trifle voucher. Here you can see all fonts are so cool and professional. And here the Google fonts. Google fonts are always free for designs. Here the font. Okay, just install and install like this. And hope you are guys this tutorial helpful for you. If this tutorial helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel, and for more tutorial research press the bell icon. Thank you.